Happy Monday, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another money-saving video for you guys. So today I was in the mall with my boys, and I was over at the Disney store, and I have a great deal for you guys. It's going to get you $25 free at the Disney store. So the deal is when you spend $50 or more at the Disney store, you're going to get a Disney note. And this note you can actually use the 7th through the 20th of October. But with this note, you have to have it attached to the receipt. So make sure you don't lose your receipt and make sure you don't lose your note. So you spend $50 and you're going to get a free $25 note. And the note is good for $25 towards your next $50 purchase or more. So what's great about these Disney notes is you can actually shop their sales section and you could rack up $50 worth of items in the Disney store sales section and still earn the Disney note. So I think that is a great deal. So I'm going to share with you guys what I ended up picking up for my kids. So my daughter Scarlett, she wants to be Cinderella for Halloween. So what I did is I picked her up a Cinderella nightgown. It's like a Cinderella princess nightgown. So this way she's going to be able to use this for her Halloween costume, but then she's also going to be able to sleep in this until she grows it out. So this was $29.95. And then I ended up picking up a baby Mickey costume for Tanner. So this was priced for $24.95. So with both of those items, total came to $59.15, and then I ended up getting the Disney note. However, I didn't spend that out of pocket. What I ended up doing is I cashed in my Fetch rewards. So I actually had enough points to cash in for two $25 MasterCard gift cards through the Fetch rewards app. So I ended up paying $9 for everything. Then I got the $25 note. So I have two of my kids' costumes knocked out, a nightgown for Scarlett, and then I have $20 to go ahead and shop in October. So if you are not signed up for Fetch Rewards, it is one of my favorite money rebate apps. So I will have a link below for you guys if you want to go ahead and check out the app. So you're going to get bonus points when you sign up using my referral. So that's going to be in the description box of this video. So just because they don't have a Disney gift card offering in the gift card library doesn't mean you can't cash in for MasterCard and Visa gift cards. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Maybe you can share it along to a friend with someone who has kids that want, you know, Disney costumes for Halloween time, but you want to kind of save a little bit of money. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Monday. You can also do this Disney deal online as well. So if you just want to shop the disneystore.com, you absolutely could do that as well. So I'll have a link below if you want to go ahead and shop. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.